What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied. Somebody asked me in the comments, I'll place it right there. Can you use this and use this at the same time? Yes, but when you use this, when you open up this valve, it will reduce the pressure in the sprinkler. So we are going to demonstrate that right now and show that subscriber. Stay with me while I turn the water on. Okay, we got the water on. Now, let's say I want to, water, I don't know, flowers. Oops, let me take it off again. Shower. All right. Y'all see the pressure reduce? Now watch. Y'all see that? Let me water my flowers. Y'all see that? You reduce the pressure. And see, it's not even a lot of pressure coming out of my sprinkler. So you can use this, but look, it's not even hitting. Before it was hitting my patio back there, that little patio. Now it's not. Let me back up a little bit. Let me turn it off. You see? So that's what happens when you want to water your flowers. You reduce the pressure in your hose, right? Even the sprinkler moving, look, or it was just moving. Okay, just wanted to show that subscriber real quick that he can use this. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. If you got any more questions, I'll try to do a demonstration just to show y'all, and you can see the rainbow before you go. All right, like, comment, and subscribe.